My name's Dan Clapcott and I'm the Regional Safety Manager for Malone Group in the UK. I've been with the company for just over 2 years now. I think what I enjoy most is the variety of different kind of clients we get to work with and different businesses. So I know there's been a lot of working from home lately, as there has been for everyone. But typically, I could be working in Dublin at a pharmaceutical site. The next week I could be working at a brewery or a snack manufacturer in the UK. And then another time I could be giving kind of remote training to a client in South America. So yeah, it keeps things interesting. Outside of work, big football fan. I support Tottenham, so I go and watch them with my dad whenever I can. Quite like my live music as well. And then of late I've done quite a lot of running and kind of hill walking. I live quite close to Snowdonia, quite fortunate in that regard. And yeah, I love not being able to kind of go to the football and the live music. There's been a lot more of the running and the walking, definitely. Favourite comedian's Mickey Flanagan, so yeah, I'd love to go and see him live if I ever got the opportunity. Favourite food, that probably changes constantly, but I'll say a decent roast dinner today. Yeah, the All Blacks came and trained at my mum's work when I was about 8 years old. So they all signed a rugby ball for me, and I got to throw a ball around with Reginal. Had a picture taken with him. So that's probably the most famous, I'd say. Last thing played on my Spotify, I imagine, would be some sort of podcast, either a comedy one or a sports one. Last holiday abroad was to Ibiza. That was about 4 years ago now. So yeah, I'm looking forward to going away again when I get the opportunity. Ooh. I'd probably say the draft beer machine I've got in the kitchen. Um, it's pretty heavy, but I'd give it a good go. Last thing I watched on Netflix, again, something I've done a lot more of with the last few months, but that would be The Handmaid's Tale. It's pretty good if you've not seen it, quite gruesome. Over the next 12 months, professionally, I'd like to achieve my chartership by this time next year. So I've just started that process now with IOSH. And on a personal level, keep the running up and try and complete a marathon in a decent time, maybe sub 4 hours. But we'll see how that goes. Thanks.